Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy PancakeSwap, ticker symbol CAKE, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, just go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top, press on Search, then type in Pancake or just type in Cake. It's probably simpler that way. At the top it says PancakeSwap, press on that, then go to the bottom, press on Buy Cake. Then when you're on the PancakeSwap page, type in the amount you're looking to buy. So I'll just type in, I don't know, $17 as an example. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. Then before proceeding, you can check the amount, the price, the fee, the total. If all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then follow the next steps after that. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy PancakeSwap on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.